Hi guys, good evening to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest update. This is the weather analysis English version for today, Monday to Wednesday, January 15 to 17, 2024. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion, and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. Well, we have some sudden changes in the weather, particularly over Mindanao. The northeast monsoon is still prevailing, but the shear line has expanded more to the west since this morning, and it's bringing some thunderstorms across Caraga, Davao region, and into Soxagen and various sections of northern Mindanao. So please take unnecessary precautions against flash floods and landslides, okay? So this is our graph set we created early this morning, and during that time the shear line is still here, but right now it has expanded over the portions of Mindanao, okay? And together with the northeast monsoon, they are experiencing some inclement or bad weather across these areas, but the rest of the country will remain windy, sunny to cloudy with some drizzles or light rains, particularly over the eastern sections of Luzon and Visayas. So please take all necessary precautions down there over Mindanao for possible of flooding and landslides. This shear line will persist through late Tuesday, so please take all necessary precautions. There are no tropical cyclone or LPA forming outside of PAR. And the risk of flooding and landslides, this is what we created early this morning. Low to medium, will now increase it to high, particularly over these areas of Mindanao, okay? And as we take a look at the fast animations, there you go. These are thunderstorms generated by the shear line moving into eastern and central Mindanao. And as we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation, you can clearly see here the northeast monsoon prevailing across most parts of the country. Windy up to 60 kph, particularly the eastern sections, becoming rainy, wet across Mindanao with localized thunderstorms because of the shear line. Okay, so the shear line is extending up to here. So watch out for possible flooding or landslides in your respective areas. And if we take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days, nothing changes. Until Wednesday, the northeast monsoon will continue to be the factor across most parts of Luzon, but on late Wednesday, the easterlies will resume across Luzon, except for Visayas and Mindanao, where the northeast monsoon will still be a factor. And on Thursday and Friday, it will weaken. The easterlies or the warm easterlies will be back, okay? Light winds from the east on Friday. And if we extend to the weekend, on Sunday, late Sunday, there's another surge of the northeast monsoon that is expected to move down and affect extreme northern Luzon. And most likely on Tuesday, January 23, and Wednesday, January 24, it will again affect Visayas and Luzon. Okay? Just take note that January and February is the peak months of the northeast monsoon. So that's the reason why the rest of our country is experiencing this cooler winds from the northeast. And if we take a look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days, and we will extend this until Thursday and Friday. As you can see right now, here's the northeast monsoon. We will remove the pressure since this is the rain forecast, and it's bringing some cloudy conditions with chances of light showers here, becoming more heavy across eastern Mindanao, particularly Caraga, Davao region, because of the shear line. So that's the shear line moving from the northeast down to the southwest, affecting central and eastern Mindanao. So please take all necessary precautions, and this will persist until tomorrow, Tuesday, and most of the rainfall will now shift from Caraga to Davao region. And on Wednesday, the shear line will slowly weaken. But on Thursday, because of the shift from the northeast and from the east, the warm easterlies will again bring rain showers and thunderstorms across the eastern sections of Caraga and Davao Oriental. And on Friday, more thunderstorms will be expected in various sections of Mindanao, including Zamboanga Peninsula, Central Mindanao, the Bangsamoro areas, okay? And Northern Mindanao will also be affected by these localized thunderstorms on Friday because of the easterlies. Okay, and so far that will be the scenario, but over the weekend, good weather will be expected across various sections of the country. There's no thunderstorms forecasted on Saturday to Sunday, January 20 to 21. And if we take a look at the latest rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Wednesday, so this is now the rainfall affecting Mindanao. It will be around 50 to more than 100 millimeters across the eastern sections of Caraga and the Davao region. And it's also going to affect Soxagen and northern Mindanao, so please take all necessary precautions as the shear line will continue to be a factor over Mindanao. While over the rest of the eastern sections of Luzon, it will be light to moderate rain showers passing by, okay, but nothing serious. Now let's take a look at the wave forecast from the European model for the next 3 days. It will continue to generate large waves from the sea. So this will be dangerous to small sea crafts, especially small fishing vessels. And on Monday or today, the wave height is around 3 meters in various sections of eastern Philippines, while 0.5 to 2 meters across the inland waters of Visayas, Mimaropa. Okay, and on Tuesday, the waves will remain at 3 meters across the eastern sections of the country, across the eastern coastal waters, while 0.5 to 2.5 meters over Sulu Archipelago, while 0.5 to 1.5 meters over Sibuyan Sea and the Visayan Sea. And on Wednesday afternoon, we will be having again increasing wave height because of the northeast monsoon across eastern Visayas and eastern Mindanao. The coastal waters of these areas will be around 3 to 4 meters in height, while over the inland waters of Sulu Archipelago, Visayas, it will be around 0.5 to 2.5 meters in height. Here over the eastern coastal waters of Luzon, extreme northern Luzon, the wave height will be from 2.5 to 3 meters. Okay, so that's the latest for this Monday through Wednesday. Again, we will return in the next couple of days. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua. Have a great week ahead, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.